Hi everyone, today we will see the making process of this beautiful quilling Ganesha, which is my commissioned work. So let's start. I have drawn the basic image of Lord Ganesha on this thick drawing paper which scales 8 inches by 8 inches, and I left 1.5 inches margin from all the sides. Starting with the feta, let's see how to make these shapes. So I have taken a piece of 5 mm strip and using the comb I am going to make this shape. First I will make a loop on 2 bristles and then I will keep bending on one bristle of the comb like this. And this shape is done, and now I will bend it and stick it to this point like this. Now for making an eye, I will make a dent on the outline of eye using the embossing tool like this. Using a 3 mm strip, I will make the edge work of an eye like this. The edge work of an eye is done. Now we will make the middle portion. For that I have joined a pieces of white strip and black strip, and I will make a tight coil of it. The coil will be very small so that it can fit in the edge work of an eye. Now we will see how to make this part by using the comb. The technique will be similar to the one which we have done previously, making a loop with 2 bristles, and then on each side I will bend on one bristle of this comb. And in this way I will complete this feta. Now I will make a drop shape like this. I have taken 5 mm strip, and now I am going to make a tight coil of it, little bit loosen it and then pinch it. The drop shape is done. For making a border I will use the crimping tool and crimp the strip like this, and now I will stick it to the border. Now we will see how to make this beehive shape. I have joined 2 different color strips to each other, and now with the help of quilling needle I will quill the strip like this. By making more shapes like this, I will complete the pitambar. And I have also made his jewelry and his uparna by using the same technique I have used for feta. This is also a part of edge work, and now I will decorate his pitambar, feta and uparna with the help of some kundan stones like this. I have also used stone chain and pearl chain for his jewelry. Now for making face and body, I am using skin color 3 mm strips. I am making a coil of it, and then I will loosen it like this and give a marquise shape by pinching the ends. Using this shape, I have done all his body and face. I have also used pink color for his ears. For showing fingers, I have pasted the marquise shape in a vertical position like this. Here I have used a golden ribbon on his feta. So this was the making process of this beautiful quilling Ganesha. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.